EQS SUV really is the next iteration of our clear-cut strategy. We will build the world's most desirable electric cars.
The stunning new EQS SUV raises desire to a whole new level. It's the first all-electric, large luxury SUV from Mercedes EQ with room for up to 7 people. When the EQS SUV comes to market in the second half of this year, it will fulfill all customer wishes and more.
Wrapping some of the best EQS traits in an SUV package takes innovation even further into this segment.
With features like the MBUX Hyperscreen, rear axle steering, and its super quiet performance. We believe the EQS SUV drives luxury and technology for our customers in this really important segment.
Our second strategic focus is holistic digitalization and connectivity. We want to lead in car software because we want the Mercedes to constantly learn.
On top of all that, the EQS SUV looks simply gorgeous.
And it follows our strategy of making our vehicles more sustainable and more digital.
And in doing so, it embodies the pioneering spirit of Mercedes-Benz.